ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ki arngut ki Menteri Sorkar Jalla haga janmiet jongga khendai tarik menta ubnai naiweng arajar arpulai. Kila play pajba yaga Kelvin Cinema Festival 2023. Haga ni ga sengi sedang lapan kup Burom ya ki Tyngshop bat ki Puron bapaunam ki bala Khlad no naga ni ga slaperthei. Kini ki arngut ki Menteri Sorkar ki bala wan ban play pajba yaga festival ki kentup yaga Dr. Maisel Amperin lengdo kepada ga Menteri bapet yaga tenat ga koit ga khia. Bat uba kermention la ubadai Menteri Sorkar bapet ya katanat Revenue and Disaster Management. Ya kani kata masalah penlong HU Sosotam Auditorium ya kabala sedang ha kapor san baje janmiet. Haba ai jingkren kum ki kongsan ki Menteri Sorkar kila ai ke jingiro bat kentu ya ki nongsna film bagi dei bandang bencana syuk-syuk. Kila kular ru ban nakaliang jong ke Sorkar kan yalek ban kentiu ya ki.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Aku tu siapa? Tawan siapa yang cengkang kata? Namcin adalah om. Namara. Kadang kania hai kabam nas nutunak tang. Ho. Kerjaan kania kabam kadi kabam ai mihun tang ba katiam kaput. Kadang kecilin jumia.
Banyak terjumpa oleh tim, marketing, organisasi, kepala, manajemen, orang-orang tajam.
I would extend my sincerest appreciation to Faces and the Goenka family for the commendable efforts that they are putting in to appreciate short film makers and documentary filmmakers, and it is with great pride that we want to thank the Goenka family for this commendable effort. This movie, The Elephant Whisperers, by Kartiki Gonzalez, is indeed exemplary, and hence it has received its various acclaims from various organizations. Thank you so much, the Kelvin Cinema, for the commendable effort that you have put in to allow for the screening of so many films. I've seen the list of films here, and must appreciate all the people behind the success of the very fact that these films have been able to see their logical conclusions. We are now at a stage where we are trying to provide spaces for the screening of films on a regular basis. We are trying now to ensure that we create these spaces in a very short time. The redevelopment of the Khlad is one area which we are targeting to have these screening facilities for films. We have tried to handhold filmmakers expose themselves to national and international festivals. Yes, likely these opportunities do not come as regularly as they should. In a state like Meghalaya, where we still have so many areas that we need to focus to ensure that the people of the state receive what they are due to receive. As a government, I want to assure you all that we will try our best to be there for individuals who are deserving of our assistance. We will continue to focus and to provide opportunities for all of you. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless all the filmmakers of the state of Meghalaya. Never say die. All the artists, never say die. With these few words, on behalf of the state of Meghalaya, on behalf of the Honorable Chief Minister and all of us in the Cabinet, thank you so much, Shankar Lal Goenka. Thank you so much to your public charitable trust. Thank you so much to all of you who are doing what government likely is not doing enough of. With these few words and observations, Kublai, Mithila, Jai Hind.